Okay, welcome back to day 149, I believe, coding every day. It is 11:41, so I don't even have time for like an introduction. I just need to record this, and I have nothing else that I really want to do except for this, because this is the only thing I know how to do fast. Um, so we're just gonna do this for each in nums. Ooh, if if each I want complement is equal to target minus each. And then we want to say if comp in dict add return we want the index. So first index is going to be dict add at uh dict add like the key of dict add. Wait. No. The value at comp, I think, right? This and then each or sorry, no, index, and then we want to do this as index and then enumerate, right? And then else, if it's not in there, then add uh dict add at comp is equal to index return, that's it, return like this, right? But I need to check if they add together. It's if uh it's this plus, okay, comp is equal to what we want minus the current value. Okay, and then we want to say no, wait, what do I, wait, yeah, I want to return this if, okay, what is it returning right now? Output is this, a 1. um the complement is equal to the target minus each. So if the target's 7 and say the current value is, or is 9 and 2, okay, so we know we want to find 7. Is 7 already in our dictionary? No. So if it's not, then we want to do dictionary. Let me print this off real quick. Print. Oh no, I have to do like 4 key value in dict add dot values. Print key value. No, dot items. Um, 702. Wait, what am I saying? I'm doing target, which is 9, minus 2, which is 7. So I'm saying 7 at index 0. And then I'm saying, oh, wait. I'm so confused why this isn't. Wait, what? So then we go to the next one, and it should be 9 minus 7 is 2 at 1. Then 11. Oh, no, that is fine. But I want 0 and 1. Because when I get to here, I want to say if. So complement is this, and I want to say. I'm just doing this wrong. Okay, I have to upload this, so I don't know why I'm blanking. I can just go to Claude, I guess. Sorry, I should have recorded this so much earlier. I don't like it dictionary. It's because I'm not doing like an ad or something. Um, Line that was wrong. Store current number and its index. Oh, at num. Wait, at num. Oh, at each. I was like, this doesn't like seem like it should be wrong. It's because I was doing that. Okay, beautiful. Okay, um I have to go and upload this. So, sorry for all the shit videos last like few weeks. I don't know. It's been I think it really took a toll on me not getting the internship this summer. I just like kind of have no motivation to really be doing anything. Um, so hopefully I can find a second wind of sorts going into the summer, and then my last full year. But yeah, it's been kind of rough recently. So we'll see if maybe when finals is over and going, the few weeks before summer starts, maybe I can uh I don't know, maybe that's just that time off will help me, you know, adjust to the situation. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for day 150, I believe. Okay. Take care. Bye.